Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I would like to invite you to come over to my other channel at 3 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and watch me and Simone bring the Word of God to you. My other channel is called Lifts Ministry. Today I'll be showing you how to bling out your very own mask using rhinestones that I purchased from Michaels. Now you can use any color you would like. For this tutorial I will just be using the clear rhinestones. The first thing I'm going to do is place my rhinestones onto my mask where I want them. After I finish placing all my rhinestones onto my mask, the next thing I'm going to do is glue them down. While I'm gluing my rhinestones down, I must thank my family members for continuing to watch my videos. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate you guys. And to my first time viewers, I thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on so that you will know each time I upload a video. I thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. I am finished. I think it turned out beautiful. I got so many compliments on my mask. Now finally, please go to the top of my page to my store and check out all of my merchandise. I have t-shirts, masks, mugs, and 2 types of bags. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and turn your notification bell on. Until next time, be blessed.